Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of September, and we're at Shoreham Beach. How you doing, people? Down Shoreham Beach today, just up from the church. Sea looks fab. Looks pretty clear, nice chop on the water. And today I've got bait. Got some lugworm, got a mackerel and some squid in there. I'm hoping to find some bream today, that's the plan anyway. Conditions look quite good for it. Yeah, I've got about 3 hours to fish before I've got to do the school run, so I'm going to set up as soon as I can and get fishing. Right guys, first rig, just using a freshly tied 1 up 1 down rig, size 4 Aberdeen hooks, just a single lugworm in each hook there. Just going to chuck it out as far as I can really. Pretty breezy, hiding behind the rocks here, just get a bit of shelter. But on my second rod I'm going to use the same techniques. Apart from I'll probably use some mackerel and maybe a big lugworm bait. At some point I will tip off these baits with squid. So just see how we get on with a bit of lugworm first. Okay, my second rod's with a white tip here. Same rig, 1 up 1 down rig. I've got 2 eye hooks on here. Just going to big chunk of mackerel on the top hook and just a couple of lugworms on the bottom hook. I'm just going to whack it out, straight out there. I've just tipped off my left hand rod there with the lugworm, just added some squid to the hooks there. Took a while for it to set in, the weight to set in the sand there. Got a kite surfer just comes, just keep an eye on. But yeah, the weights are flying out there today. The wind's right behind me when I'm casting, sort of like northwesterly it's turning. And the wind's getting right behind it and just you can hammer them out miles. So yeah, really good. Just hoping to find a fish. Right rod there, I've just added a squid head to some lugworm there as well. Mackerel still on the top hook. Just keep an eye on some of these weights. Some of them are curling up to be quite big. It's sort of splaying right over the rocks there. Just a bit worried that it doesn't come running up the side behind me. So far I'm okay, but something to keep an eye on. Haven't seen any obvious bites, but the wind's splashing the rods quite a bit, so if I miss any, that will be why. But hopefully I'll see something obvious soon. Just had a nice slack liner on the right hand rod there, on a whole chunk of mackerel. Guess what it is? Nice fat schoolie. Nicely lip hooked. Give it a quick measure and I'll chuck it back. There you go guys. Nice schoolie there, about 34 centimetres or so. 33. Nicely lip hooked as well. Loads of life in them. Nice big fat fin. Let's give them a release. I have to give it a little chuck because it's quite swelly. I can't really wade out on this. And off he goes. That was a nice surprise. Wasn't expecting to catch that bass. It's always good to chuck out a big bait, I find, or a bigger bait, sort of pick out the bigger ones. I've always done well this week of September. For some reason, all my big bass have come this week. It's strange, all nice and fat this time of year as well. It's when you start catching all the bigger ones. Nothing on the bream rod yet, but I might be due to take that in, go and jet it for a while, so I'll do that next. Got an hour's worth of fishing time left now. Just stuck on loads of lugworm with some squid and those size 2 hooks on the right hand rod there. Still no battles on the green rod. See, it's still quite choppy. I thought it'd be more fishy than that today, but nice to see that schoolie anyway. But let's go on fishing for another hour. Right guys, I was on the rod tugged in the green. Got some squid and lug in there. Tiny little schoolie there. Just giving it a little release. And off he goes. On the green rod again. Now schoolie. Bit bigger than the last one, but not as big as the first one. I'll get it unhooked and I'll chuck it back. After a swerve. I've got half an hour left before I'm going to have to pack up. So I'm going to load up my right hand rod there, stick on some big baits, see if we can find any proper bass instead of these schoolies. Okay, got two nice big chunks of mackerel there, bait elastic on. Got to whack them out as far as I can for the last 20 minutes or so and see if we can find a big fish. It's now injury time here. I'm going to have to have one more cast. Sorry to my daughter I'm late, but I'm going to go for one more cast on the small size 4 hooks with the lug worm. Okay, I was just taking that in to quickly bait up. And look, guess the species, I'm guessing place. Nice little place there, only tiny, sort of hand size. I'll get it unhooked and I'll chuck it back. Okay, just go give this little fella a little chuck in there. Just wait for this next wave. And there he goes. Okay, I just cast out my left hand rod there with a lug worm. Just going to take in my right hand rod. I'm going to pack away everything, tripod, and just leave my left hand rod going till last time to pack up. It's been more productive recently, so that's why I'm leaving that one out last. And then I'll need to quickly head back to Worthing and pick my daughter up. Nothing on the double mackerel there, so quickly pack this one up. Right guys, I'm all packed up. Just need to take this one rod in, quickly see if there's any fish. Right guys, no fish in that last cast. I've got to be quick, so give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.